He keeps telling my girlfriend that he comes first, and I don't want to tell her that, but it might be true. So, something which Karthik did, which I'm really surprised, and he knows his strengths and weaknesses. And when he came and met me, he knew I could compliment him, and not just with me, but the other team members that he's bringing on in the technology side, purely complementary people, and that's something he was able to identify really well and accept, saying that I can't do this by myself. I need somebody to come and help me out in this part of it. Just being vulnerable at that point and saying that I need help is something which is very, very important. And the co-founders together have one thing in common, which is the vision. They might be poles apart, but the only thing common is the vision. And keeping the vision together and just moving towards it is essential, and that's something that I think worked for us.
We learned how to prioritize, how to target, and how to make sure that we meet our deadlines in such a way that even at any point of time, if there is an interruption, you are still valuable.
Right. So something really which helped us, and I know a lot of startups may not do this, is that we had a proof of concept. We showed them rather than giving them a presentation and telling them to slide up and down to understand it. Something which Karthik did very well right in the beginning is that the core problem, the core technology barriers, he broke through that initially, and he had something which he could show. So instead of showing decks, we actually showed a proof of concept which got them a lot more excited. Some of the entrepreneurs I've interacted with are very secretive about their idea, and I think that they are slowing themselves down by doing so. Talking to as many people who are going to be potential stakeholders / they're going to be experiencing your product, you need to talk to all of them and talk to them with a very open mind, so don't push an idea to them. In fact, just initiate the curiosity in them so that they start telling you what they feel about it, and you should be open to saying that it may not work. You should be open to saying that the user would want it this way, the business would prefer it this way, and really absorb what the market really wants very early on, rather than saying that no, this is my hard and fast rule and I want the world to change to my idea. That's really hard. So we need to be very adaptive at a very, very young stage.
And very clear in your picture, okay, how to take your startup forward, what's your next step, what's your next target, and how to actually approach. So how to make sure that the value is actually delivered at the right point, at the right time.
It brought us discipline, we became accountable, we got introduced to mentors, people who we can work with, and all of them just coming together outside of an accelerator seems to be very difficult to happen.